Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about LINQ in C#. First, let us know what is LINQ. LINQ stands for Language Integrated Query. It is nothing but a set of technologies that has uniform query syntax to retrieve data from different sources. What are different sources here? It may be your SQL database, it may be your collections, maybe XML documents, and so on. Basically, this is nothing but a query syntax which is used to retrieve data from different sources. Already we have query syntaxes for SQL, XML documents, then what is the need of this LINQ? Why we go for LINQ? For example, consider you are working with SQL database, and if you are not using LINQ queries in your application, what happens? Developer needs to write query syntaxes specific to SQL database. If you are working with XML document, then we need to understand XPath queries. But with LINQ, there is no need to understand all these query syntaxes specific to data sources. Instead, LINQ provides a common query syntax from which we can retrieve data from XML documents, SQL database, collections, etc. That is why we go for LINQ. So now the question comes, how these data sources are understanding written using LINQ. If you look at the architecture of LINQ, there is one more component in between the LINQ queries we write and the data sources, and that is called LINQ provider. So what's the job of this LINQ provider? This LINQ provider converts query syntax into a format such that specific data source can understand it. That means if you want to retrieve a data from XML documents, then whatever the query we write, that query is given to LINQ to XML provider. Provider converts query in the format such that XML documents can understand this. So this is how LINQ works. Now let's take an example to understand simple LINQ query. I have created one class called product here. This product class is having three properties: ID, name, and category. Now let us create a list in order to store these product properties. So list of product is equal to new list of product. Showing an error because we need to add the namespace of this class. I have named it as query LINQ. So let us write here on the top using query LINQ. Let's add item to this product list. Let's add one more item as well. So here list is having three items. Suppose from this list I want to print products of the category mobile. To retrieve category mobile from this list, we need to write a query. We'll take variable choose category is equal to products dot where. So what is this where? Where is an extended method in LINQ. We are making use of this method in order to search the category mobile. Category is equal to, we have to give mobile here. So this is nothing but a lambda expression I am using. So once I find the category here, I need to print the products of this particular category. So how do we do that? For that, we'll make use of for each loop. For each product X in choose category, we'll print the product X. We are making use of query here to find out whether product belongs to the mobile category or not. If it belongs to the mobile category, then we are printing that product to the console. Let's run this. Here you can see we have got the products which belongs to only the category mobile. In our list, if you observe, we also had a category TV which is not getting printed on the console because here we are checking the category for the mobile. This is just a simple query for retrieving data from collection. In a similar fashion, you can retrieve data from databases, XML documents, etc. Next, what are the advantages of this LINQ? It has a common syntax for querying any type of data source. That is the major advantage. And next thing is we have a benefit of intelligence and catch error at the compile time itself. These queries are introduced with .NET Framework 3.5 and also in .NET 6. There is one major change to note here is, here we are not writing or including namespace system.LINQ. So with .NET 6, there is no need to include the namespace. Using system.link, it is automatically detected by compiler during compilation. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive further updates.